Hi, I'm Valeria and today I'm going to cook you a day salad. Those who love Asian food shouldn't hesitate to try this food. Fresh veggies are the key to this dish and you can add a protein of your liking. So you need 1 cucumber, 1 courgette, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 carrot, 1 leek onion, 1 broccoli, 1 protein. This can be chosen according to taste. Chicken, meat, or shrimp are usually used. Soy sauce to taste. Remember that you shouldn't use too much because it's a salty sauce. A tablespoon of honey. This ingredient is used in Thai food because it plays a lot with flavors, especially sweet and salty. It's optional to use a cup of lemon juice, a spoonful red chili, or a teaspoon of sesame seeds. And we need the following utensils: a pan, a knife, a spoon. Now that we have necessary ingredients and utensils, let's start cooking.
First of all, wash and cut all your vegetables with a knife. The method used to cook the cucumber, carrot, pepper, and onion is known as the julienne method. To julienne a vegetable simply means to cut them into matchsticks. And don't forget to put the broccoli in a pot of boiling water.
Second step is when you have already vegetables already cut, you put them in a pan to soak them. We have to keep in mind the colors of our salad. So first we add the orange vegetables, then the yellow and green ones, and finally the red ones. Third step, in this case, I'm going to add chicken to my salad. So it should be cut into small pieces. So let's check. When you have your protein already cut, put into another pan like this. And add soy sauce. Mix both ingredients until the chicken absorbs the sauce. If you don't add the sauce as a dressing to the salad, it will lack flavor. Then add the protein along with the vegetables. So here, in this moment, you can add soy sauce to taste. After waiting, don't forget to add a headspoon of honey. If you want, you can add a cup of lemon juice or red chili. Now we have to wait half an hour until the vegetables sear.
A few moments later.
And finally, serve among you want. You can enjoy your salad with any type of drink. I recommend accompanying it a lemonade because combine the flavors of the vegetables. This salad is very quick to make and can be one for any occasion, for example, at the party, at the catering of friends, or at the family meal. So, thank you very much for watching.